In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Qualtrics. If you want to make your survey look more polished and professional, adding a header is a simple way to do it. A header can help introduce your survey, reinforce branding, or give respondents a little more context before they begin. In Qualtrics, this is done through the survey's appearance settings, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit survey area. This is the main survey builder where you manage your questions and overall survey setup. Once you're in the editor, look for the Look and Feel option and click on it. This section controls the visual design of your survey, including things like fonts, colors, layout, and of course, the header area. After the Look and Feel panel opens, click on General. This section contains the core appearance settings for the survey, and it's where you'll find the option for editing the header. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to scan through the available settings carefully. Next, click on Header. This will open the area where you can customize what appears at the top of your survey. The header field is useful for adding text that stays visible as part of the survey's design, so it's a good place for a title, a short message, or other introductory content you want participants to notice immediately. Now enter your sample header into the header field. As you type, think about keeping the text clear and concise, so it looks clean on the page. Depending on your survey design, a shorter header often works best because it keeps the survey looking organized and easy to read. Once you've finished entering the header, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Apply. This is the step that saves and updates the changes you made in the Look and Feel settings. If you skip this part, your new header may not be applied to the survey, so make sure you confirm the change before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a header in Qualtrics. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how your survey is presented to respondents. If you're customizing surveys regularly, getting comfortable with the Look and Feel settings can really help you create a more polished experience.